Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to draw the word love in a 3D style using just a pencil. Let's get started. Begin by sketching the letters L, O, V and E in a bold block style. Use light strokes so you can easily make changes later. Next, decide which direction you want the 3D effect to go. Let's say to the right and slightly down. Draw parallel lines from the edges of each letter in that direction. Now connect these lines to form the back edges of the letter. This step is crucial as it creates the illusion of depth. Once you have connected the lines, erase any unnecessary lines or part inside the letter. Make sure the edges look clean and defined. To make your letter pop and shading to the sides that are away from your light source, use a softer pencil to create a smooth gradient. Darken the outlines of the letter to enhance contrast. Adjust the shading as needed for a more polished look. Feel free to add patterns, colors or background element to personalize your artwork. And there you have it, a beautiful 3D love drawing. Keep practicing and enjoy your artistic journey. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.